Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. We do have a tornado watch in effect until 11 p.m. tonight for Keokuk and Washington County. So this is right on the southern edge of a tornado watch that stretches through much of western Illinois as well as into the state of Missouri as well. But we're right on that northern edge of that tornado watch that extends again kind of towards the Quad Cities area and south. So again, I don't think we'll see the massive tornadoes that they're seeing down south, but we could see a tornado or two. Storm Prediction Center, is expecting the chance of maybe a tornado or two, as well as maybe just the overall chance of severe weather. For tonight, that's level 2 risk and right on the Washington County edge there in south, but locally here anywhere from about a little bit south of Highway 20, really the Highway 30 corridor and southward. Kind of see this curved edge. That's where the main storms are going to be and where the heaviest of the rain is going to be as well. So the main threats with this would be a possible tornado or two, damaging wind gusts. Hail chances is a little bit lower. Again, this is until 11 p.m. tonight. Then things will kind of weaken by then. Flooding potential, though, is area-wide. You see a slight risk for any flooding because we've had kind of a steady rain for much of the day today. And with heavier rain coming in tonight, this could cause some localized flash flooding in some areas and could cause some rise to some rivers and streams as well. So I'll step to future track here. So right now we're in a little bit of a lull in our southern areas and just kind of light to moderate rain right now. But as we head through the evening hours, here's 6 o'clock. That's when I think we'll see the start of the brunt of the activity that right now is in kind of western and central Missouri. That'll make its way to our southern area south of I-80. Continue to move through. Now here's 8 o'clock. Now you're seeing a lot of that heavy rain, and you can see kind of on the front of this is where the gusty winds could be, and it kind of just clips our southern and eastern edge, and that's where we might see a tornado or two. We'll continue on to 10 o'clock here. Now it really starts to move out. I think by about 10 to 11, that's when things will start to weaken a little bit. Still could see some moderate to heavy rain, though. Now here's midnight, starting to taper off from south to north. Could see additional rainfall there north of Highway 20, and then we'll wrap up by sunrise on Monday. So in terms of any rainfall we're going to see, so this is from now, recording this at about 4:30. From now until Monday morning, we could see anywhere from about close to an inch, maybe as high as 2 inches in some isolated spots. And then you add that onto the fact of how much rain we've already seen. You can see some spots already close to an inch, like Waterloo at 0.08 of an inch, or 0.8 of an inch, Owine at 7/10, same with Independence. So you add that on, some areas could see maybe close 2.5, 3 inches of rainfall, if at all possible. So again, this is something we'll have to watch with all this rainfall. It's going to be tough to kind of obviously drain it all, so this is where we could see some of that localized ponding or flooding on the roadways. In addition to all that, we'll see some strong winds, any non-thunderstorm winds, anywhere from 10 to 20, sustained gusts to 30 miles per hour. This will be shifting to the northwest during the day tomorrow as a little bit of cooler air, or I should say the cold front moves through, but actually we're going to be warmer tomorrow than today, just because today we had all of that rainfall. So for tonight, low temperature is going to be the low to mid 40s with that shower and storm chance. Again, some could be strong to severe, especially south, but heavy rain for all of the area. Strong northerly wind at 10 to 20, gusts to 30. Then for tomorrow, you're going to notice with some clearing late from west to east, high temperatures tomorrow for our southern and western areas will be in the low 60s. North and east will be in the mid to upper 50s with that northwest wind continuing to be strong. Your city by city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So Monday we'll get a break from the rain, and then late Monday night into early Tuesday, another wave of showers and storms is possible. Wednesday is a little bit more isolated of a chance. We'll kind of have on and off storm chances starting Monday night into Friday night, with the best chance, I think, becoming Thursday into Thursday night, really Wednesday night through Thursday night. None of this is expected to be severe right now, but things can change obviously as we go throughout the week. High temperatures in the low to mid 70s Tuesday through Thursday, a little bit cooler Friday. Weekend looking dry right now, but Sunday night into Monday could see a couple of more storms there. So it looks like we'll have a pretty wet next 10 days here as we wrap up the month of April.